we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for some.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I did this look on my sister. Yeah guys, this is my sister. So I'm gonna be showing you how to do this copper glitter eyeshadow. As you can see, isn't she so beautiful? So yeah guys, if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching.
On the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you make them just belong.
So yeah guys, as you can see in the video, I'm gonna be putting her foundation. Already I have primed her face with L'Oreal Paris. So this foundation is also from L'Oreal Paris foundation True Match in shade 4 and beige color. So I will apply it with my fingers first, as you can see. Then I will be blending it with this sponge, that is Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. Very slightly I will just blend it on her face.
All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
So now for the concealer, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline concealer, that is Fit Me Concealer in shade 10. So I will just highlight her face, as you can see in the video. Then afterwards I will be using the same sponge, that is Real Techniques, to blend everything out.
That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, babe?
So now for the eyebrows, I'm gonna be using this ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in dark brown. And I will be using with this brush, that is Essence Cosmetics eyebrow brush. So she wanted a natural eyebrow, so I will be just doing a natural eyebrows for her. So as you can see in the video, I will just very lightly, I will take the product, the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade, and just very lightly I will just apply it onto her eyebrows. As you can see in the video, very lightly, because she wanted a natural look.
Me chasing you, chasing you.
Now I will be taking this spooling brush, that is from L'Oreal and LANGNICKEL. I will just brush everything out onto her eyebrows, as you can see in the video, just to keep it on shape.
Under your spotlight.
So now I will be using this shadow shields, that is not original but it's authentic one. So I will just apply it onto her eye, so that I just want the edge to be sharp, as you can see. Then I will be taking this RCMA no color powder just to set her eye, because I already put the concealer over there. I already primed her eyes. So I will just set it with a little bit of the concealer, powder. Then I will be using this is Morphe 39A palette, and the first color, the transition color, I will be using Bare. It's called Bare, with this brush, that is Urban Decay blending brush. So I will just apply it onto her eye crease, onto her crease. That will be the first transition color.
Watching it end.
Then the next color I will be taking Vibrant, that is called Vibrant, with this brush, that is Real Techniques Beige Shadow brush. So I will just apply it onto her crease also. I will just mix the color. As you can see in the video, very lightly, because I don't want to mess this out. So as you can see in the video, very lightly I'm blending it, the both colors. Then I will be taking this brush, that is NYX Cosmetic blending brush, and I will just blend everything out. We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used. Then the next color I'm taking Passion with this brush, also the same brush, that is Real Techniques Beige Shadow brush. And as you can see in the video, I'm applying it little lower onto her crease, little bit down, not on her crease but little bit down on her crease. As you can see, very softly I'm just blending it. I don't want to make any harsh line, as you can see in the video. So the next color I will be taking Forever, which is type of dark brown. As you can see, I will be taking with this brush, that is Morphe pointed crease brush, blending brush, as you can see. So I will apply it the same, as you can see in the video, the same thing on lower crease, and just I will mix the color. Then I will be just taking this color, that is Slice, with this brush, that is Marble blending brush, and the same thing I will just add the color and just blend it with all the colors, as you can see in the video, onto her eye. Very slowly I will just blend it, not too harsh. Then I will be taking this NYX Cosmetic blending brush and I will just blend everything out. Then afterwards, I will be taking this Maybelline Concealer, Fit Me Concealer in shade 10, because I will be now cutting her crease with this concealer. As you can see, it's so easy to apply. I really love this concealer. As you can see in the video, just I will apply it and let her look up, and then I will cut the crease with this brush, that is Marble Concealer brush. As you can see, I have cutted the crease for her. Then I will just set it with the Character Cosmetic 24 color Ultimate Eyeshadow in shade white shadow, and I will just apply it onto her where I have cut her crease. I just don't want any creamy texture over there, so I will just set it with this eyeshadow, white color. Then I will be taking NYX glitter primer and I will just apply it onto her eye where the cut crease I have done it. So I will be taking with this brush, that is Real Techniques Detailer brush, because it's very easy for me to apply it, as you can see in the video. So I'm applying it all over her cut crease area. Then I will be taking this NYX Face and Body glitter, that is in shade copper, as you can see in the video. I really love this color a lot. So with the same brush, that is Detailer brush, and I will apply it all over her cut crease area where I have done it, her cut crease, as you can see. So I will just apply it over there. Let me in this mess I'm falling. Never know. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. So then I will be taking this same color, that is Slice, with this brush, Marble blending brush, and just I will apply it onto her outer corner just to blend little bit, not so much. Then I will be taking also the same NYX Cosmetic blending brush and just blend little bit onto her outer corner of the eye. Now for to do the liquid eyeliner, I'm using this Elizabeth Helen liquid eyeliner in shade black. So now I will be creating her cat eye wing. As you can see in the video, very slowly I'm just applying it. using this pinky goat lashes, that is Ghalia. It is from the Glam collection. I really like this lash, so I will just apply it with this lash applicator that is also from pinky goat lashes. So now for setting her face, I'm using this RCMA no color powder with this buffing brush. Then for to contour her face, I'm using this bronzer that is from L'Oreal Paris with this brush that is number 7 contour and highlight brush.
We wander all alone, but we can't deny we are the street light people.
So now for the lipstick, I'm using this the Balm Cosmetic. This is not the real one, it's authentic one. It is in shade Romantic. I really love this color. So now I will apply it on her lips, as you can see in the video.
Chasing whatever kills for so long.
So now for her under eye, I will be using this Real Techniques Asian brush with this shade that is Slice, and I will just apply it on her under eye. Then I will be using this highlight that is from Anastasia Beverly Hills with this unicorn highlight brush with this color that is amber gold. So yeah guys, this is the final look I have done on her. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please do like, comment and watch and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos of mine. Thank you guys. Love you. Mwah.